So we'll talk about various aspects of the pancreas today. Okay. Various aspects of the pancreas. All right. We're talking about the embryology, how it develops. We're talking about the anatomy, the physical structures. We are talking about the what again? Physiology. Okay, talking about the histology. That's the cellular components. Then we're also talking about the physiology. What are the functions of the pancreas? Okay, so this is the pancreas here. Right. See the head of the pancreas. Let me see this. See the head of the pancreas. You see the body of the pancreas. You see the tail of the pancreas. Beautiful organ. So you see that the pancreas is a fascinating organ. It has both exocrine and endocrine function. Can produce enzymes, can produce hormones. So they plays a crucial role in the digestion and metabolism and all of that. So let's quickly look at the embryology first. So that it develops from the foregut endoderm during embryogenesis. Right. Foregut endoderm during embryogenesis. So it originates from two buds. We have the dorsal and the ventral pancreatic buds. Now, this when this picture will start making sense to you. The dorsal pancreatic bud, the ventral pancreatic bud. Spot it out. Now, the ventral bud forms a uncinate process and part of the head. Ventral, that's the front. Dorsal is the back. So it's the alright. The front should be forming the what? Uncinate process and part of the head. This is the uncinate process. This is the head. Getting the story now? Now, while the dorsal bud forms what? Of course, everything at the back, body and tail. So key transcription factors are the PDX1 and the NKX6, right? So they regulate pancreatic. NKX 6.1, they regulate pancreatic development. What's the anatomy? It's just simple, right? So it is a retroperitoneal organ. It's found behind the peritoneum, located behind the stomach, right? Yes. Because of four parts: the head, neck, body, tail. As the main pancreatic duct, the Wilson duct, joins the bile duct to drain into the duodenum. The blood supply comes from branches of the celiac trunk and the superior mesenteric artery. Beautiful. Histology now. It has two distinct tissues, so that it produces enzymes, it produces hormones. So the exocrine is acinine cells, they produce digestive enzymes. Endocrine, they are the isolates of Langerhans, so depends on the type, right? All of them produce different enzymes. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells insulin, delta cells somatostatin, PP cells pancreatic polypeptide. You get the whole thing now. So physiology now. Endocrine function. The digestive enzymes, okay, helps in digestion of food, amylase, lipase, protease. Endocrine helps to regulate a whole lot of things in the body, but most importantly is the insulin and glucagon. Of course, insulin will check up on what breaking down of glucose. Now that helps, and that will now what lead to our discussion of diabetes mellitus. You get hormonal control, secretin and cholecystokinin. They stimulate pancreatic enzyme secretion. The neural regulation, that's the vagus nerve, enhances what pancreatic secretion. Okay. So this is just a summary. It measures about 15 to 20 in length. Weights about 85 to 120. So isolates were described by Paul Langerhans in 1869. Makes up to 1 to 2% of the gland volume in adults. So the islets contain about 4 major and 2 minor cell types. Just to break down again. So this is just it for the pancreas. See you guys in the next one.